Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how LDP will be configured on Nokia SR routers, and I'm expecting those who are watching this video is having knowledge of LDP, how LDP works, because in this video we are only going to cover the configuration part of LDP from SROS perspective. So let's begin. This is my multi-area topology. So first OSPF is running and I have advertised these loopback on R6, these three loopback on R6 and these three loopbacks on R5, and OSPF connectivity is working fine. So let's check the OSPF connectivity. Show on router 1, show OSPF neighbor. So router OSPF neighbor. Okay, so let's ping loopback IP address of IPv6 of router 6. Ping 192.168.3.1. So it's fine. Okay, so first what we are going to do is we are going to configure LDP between all interface on R5, R1 and R3, and then we will configure the LDP on R4, R2 and R6 on all interface, and then we will check the LDP bindings as well as LDP bindings and LDP sessions are coming up or not. So let's just start with the router 1. Configure router LDP interface parameter. The interface to R2, back interface to R3. That's it. Okay, and admin save to save the configuration on R5. Configure router LDP interface parameter interface to R1 back slash admin save. So you can check your configuration with info. This interface we have called in LDP. So exit show router LDP session. So my session with the R1 is established on R5. So let's go on R3. Configure router LDP interface parameters interface to R1 back interface to R4, sorry, R4 exit, or we can see the configuration here. Exit all, admin save, don't show router LDP session. So it's established with 1. So hope you are able to. So from R5 to R4 session is from R5 to R1 session is established. From R1 to R3 session is established. Okay, and let's go on this side. We'll configure R6, R2 and R4 with the LDP. R6 configure router LDP interface parameter interface to R2 slash admin save info. Okay, now go on R5, configure router, sorry, LDP. Oh, no, not on R5, my mistake. On R2 I need to go. configure router LDP interface parameter. Okay, interface to R1, 3 interface we have, back interface to R4, back interface to R6, back. That's it. Info, we have called all 3 interfaces. Exit all, admin save. Okay, show router LDP session. Oh, so now my session is not coming up. So we'll check. First, let's configure R4 and we'll check why it is not coming up. Configure router LDP interface parameter. Interface parameter and interface to R2, back interface to R3, exit admin save. So show router LDP session. Okay, not configured. Why not configured? Let me check whether this is reachable from here or not. Router ID LSP ID2. Okay, let's check configure router OSPF. Okay, I have not advertised system interface in this, so let's advertise area 0 interface system. Exit all admin save. Admin save. Let's check on router 2. Configure router OSPF area 0 info. Info interface system, back, exit all, admin save, check now, exit all, show router LDP sessions. So now it's established. Hold on. Let's go back here. Check on R4, show router LDP session. So established. R2, shit, my flow. Show router LDP sessions. Okay, established. So now check the bindings on R2. Show router LDP bindings. So you can check LDP is having the binding of 10.10.1, 10.10.1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it's have binding only for all system interface IP. Why so? I have advertised this show router OSPF. Sorry, configure router OSPF info. I have advertised these 3 loopbacks from R6. Okay, as well as 3 loopbacks from R5 also. Ideally, LDP should give labels for all the routes which they have in their IGP table, right? But it's not giving. Why? Because in Nokia, specifically in Nokia, by default, a router will generate, LDP will generate label bindings only for uh, system IPs and so you can check it is having a LDP binding for all system IPs and all system IPs. So for doing so, we need to create a one policy and need to call that policy in LDP to create our bindings for loopback IP addresses. So to generate labels for loopback IPs, we need to go on router 5, show router interface. These three loopbacks IPs I am advertising. So what I will do, I will create a policy. Configure router policy option begin. Okay. Prefix list loopback. This is just a naming convention. You can give anything. Okay. And prefix what I am giving is 190 sorry 192.168.2.1 slash 32 exact. Okay, next one is 2.2. Okay, next one is 3.3 exit. Now create a policy statement. Sorry, I have given a loop back instead of loop back up. So loop back. Okay, entry 10. Okay, from prefix list loop back. Okay, now action accept exit 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 exit. Sorry, here I need to give exit and then commit. Without commit, your policy statement will not work. So just show info. This is the policy statement from fixed rate loopback action accept. That's it. Okay. So now what we will do, admin say first configure router LDP export loopback admin save. So now check on R1 show router LDP bindings. So now you have label for this. Okay, these three loopback IPs. Now go on R3. We'll see configure route show router LDP bindings. So we'll go above. Okay, you are getting label. You are getting label right here. So same thing we're going to do in R6. We will create a policy statement, configure router policy option begun prefix list loop back prefix. What is the prefix? IPs will do show router interface. Okay, prefix /32 exact, and here we can do /32 exact, change it here only, /3 exact. Okay, exit policy statement loop back from sorry, entry 10 from prefix list loop back action accept. Okay, and exit commit, don't forget commit here. Okay, exit configure router LDP export loopback admin slash admin sorry admin save. So one more thing I will like to tell you here, for loopback IPs which I am advertising from R6, right? Configure router OSPF info. So I am advertising a summary route, okay, from here. So if I am checking summary route, right here, I am advertising a summary route to the other areas for all three loopbacks. So if I am checking show router LDP bindings here, I am not getting a label for a route loopback routes which I am advertising from R6. Why? Because I am advertising a summary route on other area. To generate a label for summary route, one more command we need to enable on all routers in our networks under LDP is configure router LDP aggregate route prefix match. That's it. This command we need to run on all routers. Okay, control C, exit all admin safe. So now check on our exit all. Okay, we'll run this command on all nodes. Okay, R6 exit all, R4 sorry, on R4 on R1 we have configured this. My bad. On R1 enter, on R6 we have done, on R5 we have done, on R2, R4, R1. Okay, no issues. Now we'll check on R2 whether we are getting a label for the LDP bindings. So So now you are getting a label for to that aggregated routes also here. Okay, similarly on R1, if we check on show router LDP bindings active, we can run. So here we can run the bindings from R3 as R6 loopback also on R1, which we are not learning earlier without adding that command. So that is all about the basic configuration of LDP in Nokia. Thanks for watching this video. If you like, you can subscribe and share my video so that I can get more motivation to do video like this. Thank you, friends.